everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're putting the spotlight on the MYS 500, our flexible rental LED display that's redefining what event visuals can be. It's packed with features built for versatility, durability, and speed. Let's break them down. First, the cabinet fits a 250 by 250mm module size, working with pixel pitches like P1.953, P2.604, and P3.91. Durability matters too. We combined a plastic bottom shell module with a die-cast aluminum cabinet, so it won't deform easily. Plus, the splicing gaps are tighter and the surface flatter for a seamless look.
Want unique shapes? The MYS 500 bends. A single cabinet supports 45 of curvature from plus 22.5 to minus 22.5. Easily make inner arcs, outer arcs, S-shapes, U-shapes, whatever your event needs. The minimum radius is just 0.64 meters. 8 cabinets make a full circle. And it works with MYS 500 standard cabinets, so you can mix straight and curved screens easily. For outdoor events, no problem. Both front and rear have an IP65 protection rating. Install it bare and don't stress about rain. It'll keep performing.
Rental events means tight timelines, and the MYS 500 keeps up. Quick locks and handles on all 4 sides let you install and take down in minutes. No delays, just efficient setup.
It's quiet too. The closed die-cast aluminum cabinet and fanless power supply use the metal shell to cool down naturally. That means no noisy fans. Plus, it's dustproof. Low maintenance, high reliability. The visuals. Stunning. With a refresh rate of over 3,840 Hz and 14-bit grayscale, the display is sharp, flicker-free, and the colors pop perfect for grabbing your audience's eye.
We thought about transport too. The built-in corner protection keeps the cabinet safe, no dents or damage, even when moving from one place to another place.
Connections won't fail. The integrative hard connection design links the power supply, hub, and module tightly. No loose cables, just steady, reliable performance.
It's easy to handle too. Hidden double handles and a foldable handle let you carry it within one hand.
Plus, you can install and maintain from the rear. Saves time on disassembly. Install it your way. Choose truss, mounting, hoisting, floor stand, stacking, or inner-outer arc splicing. No matter the venue, the MYS 500 fits.
The MYS 500 isn't just a display, it's a solution. Versatile, durable, fast, and stunning. For your next rental event, make the MYS 500 your choice. If you have interest, please contact us or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.